The moment you become too easy to find, you lose your power. Like a rare artifact left on display, you become common, replaceable. The world doesn't reward the familiar, it rewards the elusive. Scarcity is not weakness, it's the ultimate weapon. Here's how to turn your absence into your strongest form of presence. First, master selective absence. Imagine a room where everyone is shouting for attention. You don't scream louder, you disappear. Selective absence is the art of vanishing without a trace, except in their minds. You don't have to cut ties, you just stop being their constant option. This absence creates a void, a silent question hanging in the air. Where is he? Humans hate uncertainty. That question hooks their attention, making your return feel like a rare event, a headline, not a habit. Your energy, once abundant and cheap, now becomes priceless. Scarcity builds value by making your presence feel like a reward, not a given. You stop chasing validation. Instead, you control when and how they see you. You become the prize, not the player. Second, use silence as a weapon. Silence is the shadow lurking in every conversation. Most rush to fill it with noise, fearing the weight of quiet. But a man who commands silence doesn't need to speak to dominate. That unreadable pause is a pressure cooker. It forces others to fill the void with their own doubts and curiosity. Your silence says more than words ever could. It is a challenge they can't ignore. You're not hurried by their questions or eager to explain yourself. Instead, you let the quiet grow heavy, an invisible tension that makes them chase your thoughts. This is psychological scarcity. You're no longer just physically absent. You're mentally untouchable. Words become currency when they're rare. Speak less, watch more. Let your silence echo louder than their noise. Third, control your supply like a premium brand. You are not a product on every shelf. You are a limited edition, a masterpiece with a price no one can guess. In a world drowning in oversharing, your power lies in what you don't reveal. Stop broadcasting every move. Stop feeding the noise. Instead, create suspense. Let your followers wonder about your next move. Who's in your circle? What fire you're building behind the scenes? Every post, every word, every interaction must hit like a sharp blade. Precise, rare, and unforgettable. This is how legends are forged, not through noise, but through the magnetism of absence. Your scarcity becomes a void they crave to fill. When you reappear, it's not routine. It's a return that shakes the room. Final word. Scarcity is controlled dominance. The more access they have, the less they value you. Reduce your presence, and you force them to feel your absence, to crave your return. You stop being replaceable. You become unforgettable. The man everywhere is forgotten. The man who is rare is desired. Comment rare energy if you're done being predictable. Like, subscribe, and remember, true power is not loud. It's felt in the silence you command.